How to make a donut chart in Illustrator. Hi. Here are the steps on how to make a donut chart in Illustrator. 1. Open Illustrator and create a new document. 2. Select the pie graph tool from the toolbar. 3. Click and drag to create a pie chart in the document. 4. In the data window, enter the values for each slice of the pie chart. 5. Select the desired color for each slice of the pie chart. 6. Click the Apply button to create the donut chart. 2. Here are some tips on how to make a better donut chart in Illustrator. * use clear and concise labels for each slice of the pie chart. * use a variety of colors to make the donut chart more visually appealing. * use a large enough size for the donut chart so that it is easy to read. * use a border or outline for the donut chart to make it stand out from the background.